So I'm building a PC with an Optiplex 790 motherboard, but it's having troubles with detecting drives and booting from them. And typically when you get to this screen, you'd press F1 to continue, but in our case, it says no boot device found, press any key to reboot. So we press any key to reboot it. And then we need to go into the BIOS to change some things. And to do that, we're going to need to have a mouse that actually works. My Corsair Harpoon didn't work, but this OEM HP mouse did work, so not all mice work. Then when we get to this screen again, press F2. Go down to boot sequence. And then we want to change the boot list option to UEFI. It's currently in Legacy, but there's no boot options here, so we have to go back to Legacy and then look at the name of our drive. You can click it, then click View, or you can just look at it. And my specific drive is P0:CT240BX500 SSD1. P0 is because I installed it in the SATA port, which is labeled 0. Then we take that name, go over to UEFI, add boot option, type it into boot option name, and then when we're done with that, we go down to those 3 little dots next to file name, and then click the only directory, and then click boot, and then click the only file in there, then click OK, OK, and then apply, and then we can exit. And if you want to add a second drive to your PC with this type of motherboard, you're going to need to also add it to the boot option list. Windows just won't recognize it if you don't. And then when you boot up, it should be fine. But I find that sometimes when you're booting up, you need to press F12 to go into boot options to select Windows Boot Manager or the SSD, because sometimes it doesn't like to work. But yeah, get back to that screen, press F1, and then it'll load into Windows. And if you want to see a PC build using this motherboard, I'll have one coming up soon. So, see ya.